Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, battery level, and a working connection. Once ready, unlock your Vivo and open settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, tap Wi-Fi. For a mobile APN change, tap SIM and network, choose the active network. Make sure you have the DNS IPs copied or memorized so you won't interrupt the flow. This avoids guessing later and keeps the process fast and accurate. Now tap the network name or the three-dot menu to access advanced options and continue. You'll now modify the network details. Select the active Wi-Fi network and choose Modify Network, or for mobile data, edit the APN under Access Point Names. Once inside, expand advanced options and change IP settings to static if required, or use private DNS for system-wide DNS. Enter the preferred DNS, for example 1.1.1.1, then the alternate 8.8.8.8 into the DNS fields. Once done, make sure to save, tap Save or the check mark, so the OS applies the new DNS immediately. Finish by saving and reconnecting. After you save the modified network or APN, disconnect and reconnect the network so the device fetches DNS anew. To confirm the change, open your browser and visit a site or use a DNS test. If results look unchanged, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to flush caches. If pages fail to load, revert to automatic DNS or reset network settings, then reapply custom DNS carefully. This rollback step solves most mistakes and restores connectivity fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.